Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 7th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So, on the pound dollar, definitely a very strong push to the upside, but you have to realize that this is not even an engulfing move. It didn't even engulf the previous candle. This definitely still could be in a downtrend. These couple up candles do not prove to be that we are in a reversal. We didn't turn at a fib level. We didn't make engulfing up. We do not have a higher low telling us that the trend has turned. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci retracement on the 1 hour time frame from here to here. Now, in a pullback, normally you would expect to see three waves. An impulsive wave, a corrective wave, and then another impulsive wave, and then potentially the continuation of the downtrend. But because the trend is definitely still down, there is a chance that it just keeps going down pretty much at any point, which is why I'm definitely more focused on shorts than anything. But we do have to realize there's a good chance this is an A, there's a good chance this is a B. This may actually go down to a Fibonacci retracement level and then reverse back to the upside, making a wave C before it actually really does end up continuing the downtrend. Like I said, a three-wave reversal is most likely what's going to happen, just because the fact that structure is still down on the daily and 4 hour, we do have to realize that it could possibly just keep on going down, like I said, is why I'm definitely still focused on shorts more than anything. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.